When did you start in real estate?
Yeah, so I've been in real estate. I'm getting ready to go on my 6th year now.
Yes, I did. So I got in about 7 years ago.
10 years.
10 years.
For a little under 2 years.
And so now I've been in for a little over 4 years.
So I've been in real estate 8 years.
So I've been in the industry since 2015, so 8 years now.
So what was your main source of lead flow then, since it wasn't YouTube?
We do a lot of Google pay-per-click advertising. So we spend, anywhere from $5,000 to $10,000 a month to generate leads and opportunities for it.
So I do a lot of Facebook advertising and sphere of influence and cold calling like Red X, just dialing.
To generate leads, like you've got to be consistent and on it, but nobody ever tells you that you're on your own when it comes to generating those leads.
YouTube is the best lead source on the planet for buyers, 100%.
We've closed out 2 already. And as we were just chatting, we've got 20 that are in our pipeline right now.
We just went under contract on a piece of land. The piece of land was right under 200K.
So this month we'll do about 100 grand in GCI for the 2 of us.
Man, that's amazing.
So I did 8 transactions for 2022, all off YouTube. Keep in mind, I'm in a state, in an area that's losing population.
Right.
The other success, I would say, from a real estate point of view, obviously we're starting to get closes. We got people in the pipeline. We got people lined up over the next few months to close.
Going into YouTube has just been the lifestyle change. We've been able to not go on showings all the time.
But I think I told you like 4 months in, I got a $3.9 million listing.
I think we did like $2.2 million in business.
So as of right now, I've had 72,000 that are either under contract or closed in GCI.
In 2022, we closed, I want to say 16 deals.
I made $120,000 this year.
So are you tracking like maybe projecting through until November of 2023? Then you'll think you'll hit around 500K?
Yeah, through the end of this year, probably around 500.